Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tech innovations. Today, we're diving into the world of conferencing technology with a unique offering from BOYA, the Blobby USB conference microphone. Now, if you're like me, constantly engaged in virtual meetings, online classes, or video conferences, you know the struggle of finding the perfect microphone. But fear not. The BOYA Blobby might just be the solution you've been looking for. Let's start with the standout feature, its outstanding sound quality. With a 360-degree omnidirectional pickup range of up to 10 feet, the Blobby ensures crystal clear voice capturing, making your meetings and calls 10 times better than traditional computer microphones. Just plug it into your laptop or desktop, and you're good to go. No drivers needed, hassle-free installation. Plus, it's compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems. But wait, there's more. The Blobby comes with a convenient one-key mute function, indicated by LED lights. So, whether you're in a quick huddle or a lengthy presentation, muting and unmuting is just a click away. And here's the kicker, the Blobby isn't just a microphone. It also doubles as a wireless charger. Yes, you heard that right. You can charge your wireless earbuds, smartphone, or any other compatible device while you're in the midst of your virtual meetings. So, whether you're a student attending online classes, a professional in virtual meetings, or simply someone who loves crisp sound quality, the BOYA Blobby USB conference microphone has got you covered. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and tech insights. Until next time, happy conferencing.